Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental controls on ROG Phone 9 Pro. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now go to all services and then you have to scroll down and click on parental controls. Then click let's do this and click sign in. Now you have to enter your email address. Then click next. And here you have to enter your password. Then click I agree. And click accept. Now click on supervise. Then click next. And here you have to enter your parent email address. Then click next. And here you have to enter your password. And now you have to scroll all the way down and here you have to enter your child password again. Then click next. Then click allow. Click next again. And click done. And as you can see, my parental controls are now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.